Yo, what's up? This is your boy Donovan. It's another day in life. Guys, today is weekend, It's Saturday and what's the time now? It's about past 11, you know. Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel and it's another day in life. Um Today I want to share with you my third side hustle that I make money with. Yeah, even though it's a bit risky, very risky, but I have to share my experience with it, and this is one of the side hustles that I can recommend to someone out there who wants to make money. But if you are not afraid to risk, if you are not scared to risk or lose money, but but what I can say is that in this side hustle, you should not like risk with the money that you can afford to lose. This you can only risk with the money that you can afford to lose, not uh, your rental money or your grocery money. So otherwise you're gonna go hungry, and my guy, it's not a good experience. It's not a good experience. Hunger is very dangerous. Anyway, so what is my third side hustle? Last on the last video I shared two side hustles that I do. You know, I do cleaning, I do cleaning, and I work at a car wash. You know, so this is the third side hustle, which is forex trading. Um, I've known forex trading like since when? Since 2022, yeah, but I wasn't that interested in it because I knew I had people be talking about losing money and the scam and all that, so I've always been scared to start trading forex. But until the other day I decided, you know what, I want to learn about this thing. First I came across about forex trading um, when I saw a video of someone trading stocks, options, and then I watched that video. I got interested in. I was like, oh, this is something that I can learn and just make money with, So, yeah, I started learning, reading, watching YouTube channels, and there's a lot of information on YouTube, but most of the information people will be teaching you the basics, only the basics of trading, you know a lot of people on YouTube, the free information that they're giving on YouTube, it's only basic. There are some of the people who are teaching strategies and all that for free, but it's very confusing because on YouTube there's a lot of traders who are experienced and all that, who are making money, and there are a lot of strategies. So it's a bit confusing when you try to learn from YouTube because you have to listen to that and this one. I think the best way for you to learn forex is when you choose one person you can learn from, and then learn their strategies, and then try to understand this, because forex, I can tell you, forex is hard, but it's not that hard. It's difficult, but it's not that difficult because it's a very easy business that you can make money with, and it's hard. The hardest part is when you're losing money and when you don't know what you're doing. When you don't know what you are doing, that's when you can lose. That's when you lose money. You know, first time when I started to learn about forex, I was just looking in the charts. I didn't understand what was going on, but now I have a little bit of information. Even though I've lost money, I think every trader loses money. I've lost money on forex trading, and yeah, I've made a bit, yeah. But even though it's not enough, it helps me to pay my bills there and there. um, I'm learning, and I can tell you, I'm not that profitable. Trust me. I just trade to survive right now. I don't have funds. I just maybe um, I invest a little bit, around $10 maximum is $50. So I've lost money in the forex trading, but I've made money also. So right now, today, I was trading, you know. I will show you my screen. Today I lost money. Yeah, I lost money. I found it about $15, and I was trading. There is a broker called World Trade Synthetic. It's weekend. You can trade currencies. So I'm trading synthetics. I funded an account with $15, and yeah, yeah, there's a lot of manipulation. A lot of manipulation. So let's go. I'll show you my screen, and I'll tell you how I lost money. So let's go. Yeah, as you can see, this I'm sorry about this. I'm actually recording with my phone, so I'm just gonna yeah, record this with my phone. I'm holding my phone like this, and yeah, today I lost about $15. I'm left with only, as you can see, only $3 in my account. So yeah, I actually had, like, on this account, let me see the history. Yeah, as you can see, I only funding this account. I actually, like, trade two accounts. I funded this account with around $11. I funded with $4, and I took some few trades. um I took some few trades. um yeah, let's do this. I took some few trades. As you can see, my analysis, this the lowest. Our support, the lowest. I use trend lines most of the time to, I'm not gonna go a lot into it, because some people don't even know what forex is and all that. So we'll get into that someday. I'll make a video about forex trading, but for now, I just wanted to make a video of a side house that I do, um, you know, also that helps me to make a little bit of money. As you can see, I took some few trades. I'm trading on a lower time frame, which is the 5-minute time frame and the 1-minute time frame. So yeah, and the 12-minute time frame. So let's go on the first trade that I took. First trade. Let's make a full, yeah. First trade that I took. Yeah, this is the first trade I took. I got around here because, well, I think because I was trading on a lower time frame. This, like, I was trading on a 1-minute time frame. I analyzed this, then I saw, oh, I just wanted to make quick bucks. So I didn't see that the market is already gone, it's already moved. And when I saw this, what's going on now? Yeah, this, I shouldn't have taken this this trade, actually. But I shouldn't have taken this. I should have waited, because the market here, the market came, after this, it came all the way down. It came all the way down here. When the market came here, all the way down here, so it was supposed, because I just wanted to make quick back here, maybe a few dollars, trying to grow an account. That's how you lose money on the forex market, because when you trying to make decisions based on making money or a few bucks, that's how you lose money. You have to analyze and see how the market is going, and when to enter and when to exit. This one wasn't a smart move. This wasn't a smart entry or decision that I made here, because as I saw the market came all the way down here, I should have known that the market is gonna come up there to retest this level here. So I should have waited. I should have waited for it to clear this, and then it came all the way down here. But even I entered here, I should have gotten out somewhere here, but I decided, uh, I, so I got in here. I should have gotten somewhere here, but I decided to hold. So it spiked. After it spiked, it didn't even give me a chance. Um, let's go to uh, hmm. Yeah, it didn't even give me a chance, as you can see on lower time frame. What's going on here now? Let's do this. Yeah, I got in here. I should have gotten out somewhere here because I was trading 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. What am I doing? 1 minute, as you can see. I should have gotten somewhere here, out here, right? And then I decided, you know what? After I got in here, I decided to hold. Then it spiked. It didn't even give me a chance. You know, I was already lost about maybe $3 deficit. So I decided, you know what? Let me just hold. So I was hoping for it to come back, but it spiked again until it came. It took me out somewhere here. You shouldn't. This. I mean, if one thing that I've learned is that you don't analyze on a small time frame, because a smaller time frame is when you take your trades, but I analyzed on a 1 minute time frame, and then I took trades on the 1 minute time frame. That's why when it spiked here, and just I took my trade somewhere here, and then I thought, I can hold it. So I held it. When it came somewhere here, I should have gone out, but then I decided to be greedy. Came out, took me out. Same thing. I came when it came here. I took my trade somewhere here again, as you can see, boom. Only two candles and then boom. I was left, you know what? So, so the thing is, it's psychology about Forex is that the decision that you make is based on the how your psychology. You have to understand risk management, and these brokers, they don't respect stop losses. Once you put a stop loss, even if it spikes, takes you out. So the thing is, you have to understand risk management, and you have to understand and you have to have discipline, and you have to know what you are doing, because when you decide to take a trade, you have to know why you took that trade, and how long are you going to hold that trade for. You have to know where the market is going. You have to find it. First thing, you have to identify the trend and know where the market is going. And when you take a trade, you have to know why you're taking that trade. What have you seen? Is there anything that that allows you to that makes you take that trade? For you to be able to make that decision, there have to be a reason why you're taking that trade, right? So I took my trade somewhere here, as you can see. I just want to, I was gambling. I didn't know what I was doing. I can tell you, I didn't know what I was doing because I was gambling. I took this trade somewhere here, yeah, and then, boom, it came here. I was already in loss. So when you are in loss, you have to at least protect your account. You have to get out, or you get eaten. So I decided to hold. Hoping it will come back somewhere here. And then it came somewhere here. Yeah, I held. It came all the way here. I should have gotten out. So I decided, when the market came somewhere here, around here, yeah, just look at. How many pips? That's like yeah, 20 pips, 2% of the account. That's like I was already a dollar, $2 something, yeah. So and then I decided to be greedy. Then boom, it spiked. Let me hold. And then boom, I held. And then boom, you see, took me out. Decided to wait. So here's another trade that I took. Here now I was just already on ICU. I decided to take this one. This trade I was just try. I was gambling. I got in here. I got out somewhere here. Yeah, and I got in here. I got somewhere here, and I was making only 1% of the small cents. Cents. Yeah. So I make small money and I'm losing big. Why? So and then I decided, you know what? Let me just wait for the market to come all the way. I was supposed to wait until the market comes all the way here. You know, because if you can look at yeah, we're already in 1 minute, right? If you can look at the market came all the way here, and then it was supposed to come all the way here to sweep this home. So I held. Just look at this. Look at what happened. I got in here, right? And then immediately, it didn't even give me a chance. When I got in here, why did I make that decision? Why? I don't even know. I can tell you. I don't even know why I made that decision to get, because I was gambling. I didn't know what I was doing. So I got in. Then boom. Look at the gap. Um, Let me zoom in. When I got in here, yeah, then I thought, okay, it's gonna come all the way, but instead it came, boom, and then it made this gap. Just there's 1% of a loss of my account, because when you're trading with a small amount of money, what every cent that you lose is like you are losing a part of you. This is like it's a lot. It's a lot. So it came all the way here, and then it just it made only one homo, and then it came all the way, boom, another spike. So I was already losing, and then I decided, let me hold, hoping it will come back somewhere, maybe here on the entry, then I can get out, find another trend. But I decided to wait. When I held that longer, the longer you hold, the longer you die. So it came here, it took me out somewhere here, cleared my account. You see? So anyway, yeah. I mean that's about it. I lost money today. Tomorrow I hope I've learned my lesson. I have to take my time to trade. I mean to analyze. I have to take my time to analyze, understand how the market is going, understand what's going on. Why am I taking? I have to know. Whatever trade that I take, I have to identify the levels. I have to identify. I have to know why I'm taking that trade. Looking at the previous data, looking at how the market has been coming, or how the market is going. You don't just make trade. You don't just make decisions and just take a trade just because it has spiked, or So I've lost money. I want to go to sleep, and I'll see tomorrow. I'll see tomorrow if I can make grow this account, because I have an account like $3 accounts. So tomorrow I have to grow this account. I have to grow this account. I have about 9 days. 9 days for me to pay my rent, and I pay about 700, and I'm losing money like this. I don't even have any savings. I'm telling you, I don't even have any savings, right? and I've lost this much. $15 is a lot of money. To me, it's a lot of money. I don't know about you. To me, it's a lot of money because I know I can do a lot with $15 here in Botswana. Yeah, I can do a lot with $15. I can buy grocery. I can buy something a lot. So I've lost about 15. Yeah, I'm left with $3. That's like $12, right? Yeah, so it's a lot of money. So I'm hoping tomorrow I make the right decisions, and be patient. Patience is a virtue. When it comes to trading, you have to have patience. You have to wait for the market. You have to wait for the market. It gives you confirmations, you know, um, before you can take a trade. Once you confirm the market now, it has cleared every liquidity and all that, and then now it's about to go. That's when you make a decision to take a trade, or else we're gonna lose money, a lot of money. So I've lost today. I'm taking the L. I'll come back stronger tomorrow. Anyway, if you are new in this channel, if you are new here, my name is Donovan, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you are new, just subscribe to my channel, click on the like button, and then we see each other on the next video, because I'm trying to learn. I like to learn. I'm a learner. I like to learn from people out there. I don't know anything about forex trading. I don't know about trading. I would love to trade currencies, because I think there's less manipulation on trading currencies than trading these derivative or world trade synthetics and all that, because these brokers, there's a lot of manipulation. There's a lot of manipulation. These people are finishing our money, our last money. Eh? Our last money. I don't know. If I lose this $15, I'm not gonna get it anywhere else, because I have to work hard. This is our hard earned money. I have to work hard for me to get another $15 and then fund, then lose it. So every stupid decision that I make cost me a fortune. But it's a lesson learned. I'll come back stronger tomorrow. I'm going to sleep, and tomorrow, and then I'm going to on Chaz try to learn this thing, because at the end of the day, I'm the one who's suffering, who suffers from every decision that I make. And I can tell you, whatever decision that you make, you are who you are today, right now, in where you are, because of the decision that you make every single day, right? So let's learn forex. I'll advise anyone actually to trade forex, but you have to know forex is a very risky business. You're gonna lose a lot of money. You can make a lot of money, but you're going to lose money either. If your strategy works, you have to know, you have to at least 75%. Your win rates should be 75% going up. If you're taking 10 trades in a day, right? And I don't think there's any you should take 10 trades, because as a scalper, if you're trading small time frame, that's when you can take those trades. But if you are a day trader, the maximum trade that you should take in a day is three trades, only three. But because it takes time, you have to wait for the market. You don't just get in the market and just trade, and then just execute trades and all that. You're gonna lose money. As you can see, this is the proof. I lost money because I was just trading. I was gambling. Just putting on trades. I don't even know why. So I lost money. I think it's a lesson learned. The best way for me to learn this is is to analyze on higher time frame, take trades on a lower time frame. So I'm speaking to traders out there. Please hit me up, you know, hit me up if you are willing to teach me Forex to trade or fund me. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, yeah. I don't have funds, I don't have funds. But if you are willing to fund me, I only need about $100 for me to fund my account and trade. Maybe I can be able to fund someone else also once I've made profit, you know. Yeah. So otherwise, take care of yourself. This is my third side hustle right now. Damn. Take care of yourself and enjoy yourself. I've lost. Tomorrow I'm going to win. Mwah.